Lads, what's going on? Dex Gaming here, and yeah, your eyes do not deceive you. You actually do see the space dock on my screen on GTA Online. Now, in single player, you do actually have to build up all of the spaceship parts to get this. But this is actually off one of Dynasty's friends, who I've got on my friends list, and he has actually given it me from a duplication, which I know how to do. It's not a hack, it's just a little trick that GTA messed up on. And they can't actually fix it because it's such a trick that you just can't fix it, to be fair. So I will actually tell you how to do this in a later video. But if you do need this, then subscribe to me, like this video, and add me on Xbox iCookerX, which I will put in the description below, and I'll be happy to duplicate as many people as I can for this space docker. I can also get a lot more cars from the story mode, such as Franklin's car and so on. I'll be making videos on the cars that I actually get for you guys, so I can duplicate them for you guys. So yeah, just put in the comments below, put a like, a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and obviously add me on Xbox, and I'll do that. But it is really nice. I would recommend going out in it at night, as it looks really nice when you're out in it at night. But I actually wouldn't recommend putting insurance on it. I'd leave it in your house, because the insurance is 125,000 just to insure, so that is really a lot. And I did actually see if I could sell this at the shop, and it was over 50k, so I couldn't sell it. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, subscribe, like and comment, and as always, I've been Dex Gaming, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, peace.